What's up, folks? I'm actually repicking this lock. I deleted the video by mistake. I was trying to get rid of some other trash off my camera and I deleted the video. So, as I always say in my videos, check out Discord. I'm actually putting not free locks, well, maybe free locks, I'm not sure yet. Cleaning my collection down a little bit, but I don't have a whole lot of battery power left, so this one's going to be a quick one, hopefully. This one is pinned by Jeffrey Post, and it's Deception, and let's see, close enough. You guys can make that out. I'm hoping that my camera lasts long enough to do this one. It's at 11%, so we're going to see what happens. And zoom in. This was sent to me by Bronx. Thank you again, Bronx, for the trade. Alright, click off of 4. Click off of 2. Slight turn on the core from 5. And let's see, that was 1. Let's see. 4, 2. And 5. Open this up. See, zoom out. Sorry folks if this one seems a little rushed, it is. I started the video and notice I have now 9% battery left on the camera. It was 12 when I started. So, yeah. And I know there's no T-pins in here, because I've already had to pick it once. The camera operated so well that time. Alright. That one is flipped around. Alright, those are all facing the right direction. And it was 3 and 5 that have threads in it. And the top matched. Literally, I just picked this about 10 minutes ago. These are all going to either be like real wide serrations or real narrow spools. And camera is going dead. Let's see if I can plug it in and it'll work while I'm recording. Does not look like it. If it goes dead, I'll add a picture in at the end of the to show what the pins look like. Alrighty. Let's see, can I get it to focus real quick? There we are. That's about as good as it's gonna get. So, alright folks. Check out the Discord. Got some locks going up in there. And until next time, keep it legal and have fun.